Don't you know there's a better way to store your shop hammers? Hammers hung on pegboards are heavy. Eventually the boards warp. Plus, who wants to make trips back and forth to the toolbox when you're working across the shop? Keep your hammers organized and station them where it makes sense for you. With a little welding skill and scrap iron, anyone can build this nifty portable hammer rack. Farmer Todd Miller of Mound, Illinois shared this with us. He says he usually keeps his hammer rack underneath the welding table or the workbench. I'm Dave Mowitz with Successful Farming, and I'm going to teach you to recreate Todd's hammer rack in 7 easy steps. First, I found some 2-inch wide flat steel that was 1/8 inch thick. Step 2, cut the rack's 4 legs 16 inches long. Step 3, I pressed a 30-degree angle 4 inches from the top of each leg. Step 4, I cut the rails 16 inches long. Step 5, I spaced the rails 3 inches apart with short pieces of steel to accommodate all sizes of shop hammers. Step 6, after all the cutting, I quickly welded the legs, rails, and sides together. Step 7, clean up the welds with a grinder, and voila! Within 10 minutes, I had a spiffy new hammer rack ready to use. If you're ready to hack your farm shop, give us a follow and discover more shop hacks like this at agriculture.com/shop hacks.